Impending crisis, a systemic crisis is in the offing, because the moment the wealth holding medium, people are holding the wealth in the US dollars, seek to use those dollars to acquire properties or better or more lucrative assets, that will create a situation of unsustainability along with the current account deficits of the US that are mounting. So what we are witnessing today is that you have the effort to get out of the current crisis, but at the same time the seeds of a future crisis which will be far graver, far more systematic, and it is in that sort of a situation that all of us are operating within our countries in the process of mobilizing the popular masses and the people in putting forward the alternative to capitalism. And I think it is this situation that we'll have to face, where in the world which is accompanied, this impending economic crisis would be accompanied by greater military aggressiveness, which is seen all across the globe. You have a militarization that is taking place globally. In every region and the continent, you have this process being strengthened. You have a NATO now which is no longer confined only to Europe, but which has a global presence and which has a global doctrines. And these military offensives are also accompanied by a political rightward reactionary shifts that are taking place in many of our countries, particularly in Europe, that we have seen. So this political military offensive that accompanies this economic crisis that is going on is bound to intensify in the future that we'll have to meet. But there's yet another area which we as communists will have not only to be cognizant of, but will have to actively engage and combat, and that is the ideological offensive that this entire process of imperialist consolidation is going to mount on all of us and on the world. Marx had once remarked that the stability of a ruling class is ensured only by the extent to which it presses the best minds of the subordinate and exploited classes in its service. And this way of pressing into service the best minds of the exploited classes is through the ideological offensive, the anti-communist ideological offensive that is launched, and it continues to be launched and intensified. And in the modern times, this process has been facilitated by the convergence of your information, communication and entertainment streams,